Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own 3D figure model using Nano Banana. So if you ever wanted to turn yourself into a 3D figure model, here I'm going to show you how you can create your own using Nano Banana and Google Video step by step. So what you need to do is just open Gemini like this. You can do it on mobile or browser on your PC like this. Now you can just upload the image that you want to edit. You can click on this plus button, click on upload files, and then choose the image that you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to use this image. Click on open, wait until it uploaded, and write this prompt. So here is the prompt. Use the Nano Banana model to create a 1:7 scale compositionized figure in realistic style and environment and place it on a computer desk using circular acrylic base, okay, etc. And you can just tap on this to generate the prompt. So just wait until the results came out. And once the image is generated, if you want to make it move, you can use Google View or any other image to video generator. Okay, so this will be the result. As you guys can see in here, you can just download it by clicking on this drop down, and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.